Makazarangis, it's Hux, and we are back with another banger. Today we are reacting to Hato Paora. I've been deemed as the knight in shining armor to react to this, so we're going to do it. Without further ado, let's get it. So how we're moving. Fuck. Oh. Wow, I like this Waiata. Wow, they can sing, yeah. Oh, it's... yeah. Yes, straight into the motete. Yes. If they sounded like that would be way better. But they're like whatever the words are. You know what I mean? And then okay. That fella's going hard. That fella's going hard. I'm not gonna say who, but it looks like some of them don't know the words in the back. Motetea wasn't too bad, not bad, but it wasn't one of my favourites. Whakaeke was mean, these fellas can sing. I just want to hear them sing. Are they doing the poi? Yes. Those. Hey. Holy heck, this actually isn't bad, like a little bit out of time, but I've seen some worse poi. I will say though, their transitions and like changing the poi aren't as slick as Wahine, but they're doing pretty good, gee. They're getting sturdier. We're doing TikTok dances now. Wow, they're actually mean, Oh, are they gonna do that? Oh! Hey! Well done, brothers. Holy heck, that was pretty surprising. And I'm probably saying this because they're Tānere. I think that was probably one of the better pois that I've seen. Seen worse poi, gee. That one wasn't too bad, eh? I like the way, hold on. I like the way the bro's doing it. This fella. Hey. This fella right here. In the back. He's a camera actor. Watch him. They all look tired. Sorry, boys. You look tired, eh? Started off pretty mean, eh? I'm sorry, boys. I love the poi more than the haka, G. Honest, too. The poi was pretty tough. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tag them boys. Oh my days. Fuck. Oh my. Oh, a little bit late. Wait, what? That's how it was supposed to go? Sorry, boys. I should just shut up then. Okay, time for the final verdict. I'm going to give you the rating straight away, and then I'm going to explain to you why. For me, about a 7.6. I think one of the reasons why they got one of the lower ratings is because everyone hyped you up heap. So my expectation was like, so a bit of a disclaimer. I didn't really like the more tia. I didn't like the whakawatia. I love the solos though, man. Your singing is tough. The more tia didn't really hit for me, but I think singing, you fellas are on. Just giving you my take. What you sound like doesn't match what you look like. It's if I was to haka like, oh, good man, oh. You're pumping up here, facial wise. You're not like, constantly booming. If you think I'm being a little bit of an ass, let me show you. Can't use face. I'm sorry, boys. Not really all good, but it's not like... Do you know what I mean? And if you're thinking, Hux, you're being a little bit harsh, that was only the more tia. Well, they're not. You know what I mean? This fella was mean. I liked his facials. Don't come at me, okay? You come, oh, Hux, you were trash too. Yeah, I know. But that was just my take on it. Facial wise. Singing, though, was immaculate. Full stop in the story. That's all I have to say. If you like more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and it'll help me out a lot. And make sure you come in and pop into the live streams on TikTok, and then maybe, just maybe, I will react to what you want me to. Until next time. Churr.